fold that piece in. I just got a little glue right there. Okay, perfect. And then you want to put a little bit of hot glue here. And fold this over on top of itself. And hopefully you guys saw all that. So everything's just kind of folded over on top of itself. And there's a little piece sticking up right there. And we're just gonna go like this. Okay, did that stick down? So if you fold everything, so you fold it like this, you put the glue down in there, you fold it over, then you put more glue down in there, you fold this one over. Okay, now you have these two pieces here and here, right? You put the glue right here, you fold this one over, you put some hot glue in here, and you fold that one over. Okay, and then you end up with that. Okay. And there's your big fat, and look how nice big fat stem it is. Isn't that fabulous? And then you just stick that. You're gonna stick it right down the center. And I don't like my, like how you saw my gray pumpkin, I don't really like my stem sticking out that high. That's just, and I glue that one in. I don't glue them in anymore. I just shove them in. You don't need to glue them. And I just shove them in. I like the stem just to stick out a little bit, like that. Look how cute that looks. And let me show it to you like this. Isn't that just adorable? I am obsessed. So I hope I've inspired you to just start making some pumpkins. Use fabrics at your house. Use the Dollar Tree blankets, the pink one, the buffalo check gray, the striped fabric. You can flannel. Go to the flannel section because that's where you can get the best price. Flannel from Hobby Lobby. You can also get the flannel animal print from Hobby Lobby. You can use Dollar Tree scarves or flannel fabric from Hobby Lobby. Make sure you use a 40% off coupon. And if you really like it, get like 4 or 5 yards and you can buy it at that price that's like basically half off with the coupon. So what I mean is like if it's $8 a yard and you have a 50% off coupon or 40% and then you get it down to $4, it's $4 every yard. So if you get 5 yards, it's going to be a lot cheaper because you're going to get it at $4 each time for a yard because they're only going to cut it once. That's their deal. Okay, and then also at Dollar Tree, you can use the buffalo check kitchen towels. Okay. Like I said, wait till the scarves come out. You can get the scarves, and you might have to put 2 scarves together to make the really large pumpkin. You can do that. And then I already said the pink baby blankets, right? Okay. So I hope I've inspired you, given you a whole bunch of ideas. Have an afternoon or 2 or 3 or 4 of just making pumpkins. And I just think it's a better deal to make these fabric pumpkins yourself. Even better than Dollar Tree prices, you guys, because $1 a piece for these fabric ones. Now this will cost you $8, $70 at Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I hope I've inspired you. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. Come visit me at Facebook and Instagram. And I want to end it with this. You guys, do something nice for someone today. And remember, we are all more alike than we are not, my friends. Okay? All right. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. So cute.